So the brake fluid level, you've got two indicators. This is your max and your low there. At times if you jiggle a little bit, you can see the fluid. This is very clean fluid, so it's a little harder to see. But if you shake it, you should see it potentially slosh around in there. But we're going to check it. If it's down here to the low, you're going to want to definitely add brake fluid. And reasons why you would add brake fluid is because you don't want air to get down in your lines, because then your brakes don't work properly. Then you have to bleed them all out. But when you need to add brake fluid, you just go ahead and remove this cap and make sure that you put the right one. This says it can use only .3 or .4 brake fluid. So as long as you've got a .3 and a .4 brake fluid, you can go ahead and add some in there, bring it up to the line here, and then just go ahead and put the cap. It's also always recommended that you use brake fluid from a brand new sealed bottle so that there's no moisture that you're adding to your brake fluid.